Hey, this is JC and welcome to Small Brick City. This is a video update on a previous video I did where I showed a collection of 3D train station signs. I came up with different train signs such as these. So that's basically a mini train on rails, and this was designed to be attached to a side of a building to indicate a train station or maybe the entrance of a train station. I got pretty good response for that video, so thank you everyone who liked it and commented on it. Subscriber Jorge Cho requested if I could do the Hogwarts Express set 75955. I have done that along with some other trains. Hopi Hagel, I hope I got your name right. He showed me his mock for a Horizon Express train station sign and did an excellent job. I also share my version here. In my previous video, I shared how to build these 4 small mini-build trains, including the Constitution Train Chase set 79111, the new passenger train 60197, the white train which can be either set 7897 or the newer 60051, and finally set 7938, the red one. I recommend you check out the first video first to understand how the mini small trains are built, and I'll go through these trains today and give you a brief outline of what are the parts to use. This one over here is the high-speed train set 10157. This is Emerald Knight set 10194. This is the Horizon Express 10233. And finally, Hogwarts Express 7599. So let's start off with this one over here. I'm not going to show you the parts in terms of breaking it up, but I think with the close-up view, you can see how this is built. Basically, this is 5 studs long, so that's a 3-stud plate and a 2-stud plate. So it's 1x3 and 1x2. A modified brick with a red round towel, and 2 1x3 modified plates, a modified towel, a 1x1 brick, and a 1x1 towel. And that's how you get Hogwarts Express. The next train is Horizon Express. It's also 5 studs long. The base comprises of a 1x3 plate and a 1x2 plate. This is a black 1x3 plate, followed by 2 1x1 orange plates. Those are 2 cheese wedge pieces, a 1x2 orange plate, and to cap it off, a 1x3 black towel. I do like the Emerald Knight train. The real one is very popular, but it's pretty expensive now to get them in the secondary markets. And this one is also 5 studs long. I do try to keep all the trains to be 5 studs long. So that's a 1x3 plate and a 1x2 plate. So that's there's some consistency with all the trains. The front is a modified brick with a round towel in front and a black stud on top. 2 1x3 plates, 2 1x1 green plates, and for the top we have 2 1x1 towels, a 1x1 transparent plate, and then capped with the 1x1 towels, and you can just see the color scheme from the video. And last but not least, we have the high-speed train in green. It's also 5 studs long, a 1x2 plate and a 1x3 plate. The green is a 1x4 plate. There are 2 cheese wedge pieces, this one in a trans black, a 1x1 white plate, a 1x2 black plate, and capped off with a 1x3 towel. There you have 4 more new mini builds for trains so that you can make your own train station sign depending on what train you have in your Lego city. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you have any more suggestions or you'd like me to tackle a specific train, please let me know in the comments. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.